1537 Sheffield to London St Pancras. After Chesterfield, just behind me, it stops at Derby and Leicester only. (1351) off platform 8 at Liverpool Lime Street to Norwich. Another busy in at Chesterfield. Intermodal 66 creeping up. Well loaded intermodal. This is either really early or late because there's nothing around the time I've just looked. All four lines are now used through Chesterfield. Intermodal heading south. I presume that's going somewhere like Southampton, Leicester Dogs. Class 66 single waiting to head north and cross onto the main. Pair of 158s heading south towards Alfreton, down there it was, to Nottingham, and I'm not sure what that's coming in. Like I say, a really well loaded intermodal. Class 195, Nottingham to Leeds service, Class 1950. This will have come up the area wash through Alfreton. Next stop for that is Dronfield, a few miles up the track, and Sheffield after that.